So in our previous video, if I hit play, we have it all set up to where we draw our paddle on the canvas and everything else is set up and we can move left and right. So now what we want to go ahead and do is start programming the ball. And I'm going to go ahead and create a ball property up here. So I'm going to proclaim this to be a private, and it will be, we can just call it ball, and it's going to be as a new ellipse. So now that I have the ball there, just like I have this draw paddle, I'm going to want to create another one like this called draw ball, and I can put that above the draw paddle right here. So I'm going to call that private sub draw ball. All right, and now I can, just like I did here, I'm going to start setting up the ball, and then I'm going to set up the parameters of the X and Y value of the ball. I'm going to go ahead and pause it and type that out. So what we have here, right here, is the draw ball, and basically we're using the same technique we did over here with the paddle to create the ball, and we're using the render transform to move the ball using this ball translate. And down here we have this ball translate X. We're setting it up initially to be half the size of the window and half the size of the window width and height, and then we go ahead and add it to the canvas. Now up above here you'll see here's where we set all the parameters to the ball. We have a ball, we have a buffer, translate, speed Y, and speed X, and those are the numbers that we put there. You can see the similarities between these two. So once we have that, let's go ahead and run this. Before we run it, we got to take this draw ball right here, this procedure. We got to put it right here next to the draw paddle. Now we can run it. Play. And there's our ball. Perfect. Exactly in the spot that we thought it should be. Now let's put some movement to this ball. So I already have hit my escape key, and then I'm gonna go, let's see, right underneath draw ball. Actually, I'm gonna put this below because I'm gonna put this next to the move procedure. So here I have my move paddle, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and put the move ball here. So I'll type private sub move ball. And then now I can go ahead and use my translate X and Y with my ball speed up here. Where's my ball speed? Right there. And I'm just going to put a static movement on the ball, static speed on that ball, and it's just going to accumulate over time as the game loop goes. So I'm going to go ahead and pause that and then type that out. So right now in my ball move, the X is going to be plus equals ball speed, and the Y, ball translate dot Y, is going to be plus equals ball speed Y. And then I'm going to take the ball itself dot render transform, and I'm going to make that equal the ball. Now because this is happening all the time and I want this to always be calculated, I'm going to want this to be in my game loop. I don't want this necessarily to be in the start here. I want it to be in my game loop here. So I can go ahead and put that there. And now I should have a ball that's moving around. So let me run this. Yes, it moves, but it doesn't stop. So we got to then worry about our collisions. So in the next video, we're going to go ahead and start creating our collisions. I'll see you there.